With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so in this question we have given summation I is equal to 1 to n minus 1 nci minus 1 upon nci plus nci minus 1 whole cube is equal to 36 by 13, and we have to find value of n. Okay, so first I am solving the denominator. The denominator is given as nci plus nci minus 1, so it can be written as n factorial. Okay, n factorial upon I n minus I factorial into I factorial. Okay, so now n plus n factorial upon I minus 1 factorial into n minus I plus 1 factorial, right? So now I am taking common n factorial upon n minus I factorial and I minus 1 factorial. Okay, so here remaining terms will be 1 upon I plus 1 upon n minus I plus 1. Okay, now taking LCM and solving, so it will be n factorial upon n minus I factorial I minus 1 factorial, and this will be n minus I plus 1 plus I, so I will be cancelled, so n plus 1. Okay, and in denominator I into n minus I plus 1. Okay, so this will be, now whole will be n plus 1 factorial, because n factorial into n plus 1, and in denominator I factorial I minus 1 into I minus 1 factorial into I, and this into this will be n minus I plus 1 factorial, right? So this is the value of, we can say here, n plus 1 ci. Okay, because n plus 1 factorial upon n I factorial and n plus 1 minus I factorial. Okay, so this is this value, right? So now this is denominator, so our original will be n c I minus 1 upon n plus 1 c I. Okay, so if I solve this, so it will be n factorial upon I minus 1 factorial into n minus I plus 1 factorial. Okay, whole divided by n plus 1 factorial. Okay, upon n plus 1 minus I factorial into I factorial, right? So if I solve this right now, so here I minus 1 factorial will be cancelled out with I factorial, and only I will be remaining here. Okay, and similarly this n plus 1 minus I factorial will be cancelled out, and here also n factorial will be cancelled out from here, n plus 1 factorial, and only n plus 1 term will be remaining. Okay, so the remaining terms are I upon n plus 1. Okay, so now we have to find summation I is equal to 1 to n minus 1 I upon n plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so 1 upon n plus 1 whole cube is coming outside, and here the summation will be I is equal to 0 to n I cube, right? So this is the cube of cube, so it will be 1 upon n plus 1 cube, and we know formula of I cube will be n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square, right? So here n plus 1 is square, and this cube will be cancelled out, and the remaining terms will be n square in numerator, and in denominator n plus 1 into 2 square will be 4. Okay, so this value is given as 36 by 13. So we can clearly observe, if I put n is equal to 12, then it will be n 12 square 144 divided by 4 will be 36, and n plus 1 12 plus 1 will be 13. So value of n is 12. The right option is option number D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.